Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So while you are in the setup of the Epic Games launcher and it states that Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task mgr. Task manager window will appear. Click on that. Now maximize this. Now here in the task manager window, you will find the run new task. So click on the plus sign symbol so that we can create a new task. Now here you need to type, so just follow me. msiexec.exe. So it's the msiexec command. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on browse. Then we need to look for the path as to where we have saved the Epic Games launcher, and mostly that will be in the downloads for the setup file. Click on this arrow and then you need to choose all files. And here you'll find Epic installer. Click on open. Click on OK. Click on repair. Click on repair.
Sunday, ito may bye-bye.
Sige, di ko panagat.
Buwan ko na nagat ro, nangin Sunday ko. Ha? Stone.
So let's just wait for this.
Turun mo na, sa mong balagon yan.
So once this is done, you just need to again launch the Epic Games launcher setup so that the setup will continue and this time it will be fixed. So for the next method is we need to search for we need to open the file explorer. Click on it. Then click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive and look for the program files x86, this one, double click. Look for the Epic Games, make a right click and then select delete. And once done, close this. Then for the final method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus because this can block the setup. So click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, you can click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar and that will appear from here. So like mine, I'm using the Malwarebytes. So just simply make a right click and then select quit. Then you have to click on the Windows security icon. Then click on the virus and threat protection on the left pane. Then under virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings and just simply turn off the real-time protection and continue the setup. And once the setup has been completed, then you need to turn it on again. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.